So hi, hello guys, what's up? How's your day going? Welcome to Genius Tube. Now today we are going to see how to download Windows ISO file in which all Windows 7 softwares are there, including 64-bit and 32-bit. Just one download, you'll get all the softwares. So let's start the video. So get into your browser. I'm using Chrome. Go to new tab and type get into PC and search. Open this getintopc.com. There are several other websites similar to this name, but those are fake ones. Beware, those are fake ones. So get into this one. So you can see several tabs here.
Software categories, operating systems, 3D CAD, graphic designing, multimedia development and device education, tutorials and more.
What we need is Windows 7 software. So it comes under operating systems. So click on operating systems tab. Now go to search tab and search for Windows 7. Sorry for spelling mistake. Windows 7 all-in-one ISO free download. I have already searched it, so it is in the recents, but if you have to search it again in your PC or desktop, whatever you use. So now you can see here there are several other tabs opening here, but this is not the one we are searching for. So type again Windows 7 all-in-one ISO. Yeah, this is the correct web page. So whenever you type, make sure that you land in this web page. See here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last time when I typed all-in-one ISO free download, it have took me to some in between 1 and 217, some other tab. But what we need is this one. So make sure that you get into this one. So now you can click on anyone. It's your wish. I'll take first one because I prefer the first one more because they will work better than others. So now when you get down, you can see Windows 7 all-in-one ISO February 2018 64-bit download. This February 2018 indicates that it was uploaded in that year. So now you can get down, you can see the picture here, then down it shows the screenshots how it will be. System requirements, memory or RAM 1 GB of RAM required, hard disk space 16 GB of free space required. Means like in your C drive, if you're installing Windows 7, minimum at least you should have 16 GB of free space. And also you can see here software full name Windows 7 all-in-one ISO February 2018 16-bit full size 3 GB. So you can download all these in just 3 GB. Okay, and then so click on the download again. It will take you to another tab. So it is loading now. Wait for some. Now you can see here the download has started now. So as I have already downloaded it, I am cancelling it and I'll show how it will be. So this is the one. We'll just move it to desktop. So now you can see guys, it's the process completed of copying it. So now from now the important process starts. So right click on it and then if you have WinRAR, then you should go extract to get into PC, this option, and click on it. It will start extracting. Meanwhile, I want to tell you something. It is that Actually, the ISO which I downloaded and I'm showing you now is not the ISO which I showed you before, like this one. What I downloaded is both 32-bit and 64-bit. In that interface will be like all Windows 7 and Windows 7, all the software like Windows 7 Home, Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 7 Professional, all those things will be there, and all 32 and 64-bit, whichever you want, you can install it. But it requires more space. So for you to make it simpler and easier, compact for you, so I'm preferring you. Like if your PC is 64-bit or if your PC is 32-bit, go to that one and download it. If you don't know how to check whether your PC is 62-bit or 32-bit, just go to this option. Wait, I'll show you. Here, this PC option, and then right click on it, and then you can see properties tab here. Click on it. So here is it. Now we can see this is a Windows 10 Pro processor, install memory, system type. Here you can see 32-bit operating system, 64-bit based processor. So 32-bit, my system is 32-bit. Like this you can see your PC's bit system. For you to understand easier, bit, what does it mean? It means that the working capacity, means multitasking capacity. Means in 32-bit you can do multitasking, but not as much as 64-bit. Its performance will be very high. Like for example, if you are rendering a video, the encoding will be faster than this. Okay, and it will not get overheated, or it will be very smooth 64-bit. But 32-bit it is comparatively less to it. Means like most of the laptops are 32-bit and most of the CPUs are 64-bit. So let's see, it takes some time. I'll fast forward it. So now it is in finishing state, guys. It's about to complete. Let's see, 96% processed, 97, 100, 88, 87, 98. Come on. 99. And here it comes. So now, a new folder is established right here. So open it. And then you can find setup. exe means it is a extension for an application. You can see here, type application file setup information. So first you should click on setup extension and double click on it, and then it will open its interface like this. Install now, check compatibility only. No need, install now. So it is also setup is copying temporary files. Okay, let it do it. So guys, as you can see here, showing get important updates for installation. Go online or don't get installation updates. It's your wish. I'm not selecting it because I'm not going to install it now. But it might be helpful for you if you choose the first option. Okay, now it will show.
Windows 7 Starter, Home Basic, Home Premium, Professional, Ultimate.
These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only these are 5 different operating systems. 5 different versions. Okay, Windows 7 has. And then
Windows 7 Starter is the basic one, and Home Basic is the next version, Home Premium is the next version, Professional is the next version, and Ultimate is the ultimate version of it.
So here you can see 84x84 architecture. Means it indicates that 32-bit, and x64 it indicates the 64-bit. So after you choose this, whatever you want, and then it will go for installation tab name. So if I click on it, again again it will install on my Windows 10 PC. So I don't want to do it, so I'm exiting from the setup. Yes. So when you want to install, you can install it. So I'm exiting it. When you're installing, you should click on next. It will show you the instructions what to do next. Okay, if you like the video, like it, comment it, share it. But don't forget to subscribe to Genius Tube. Thank you.